Kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. This is a video recording from Galaxy A72 and iPhone 12. I'm shooting in full HD 30 frames per second on both the devices. Galaxy A72 is shooting on super steady mode on. Let me know in the comments below how do you find the video quality and also how's the stabilization. You get slightly better field of view on Galaxy A72 compared to iPhone 12. Both looks quite stable. This is the only mode Galaxy A72 can record in the super steady mode. This is a video recording between Galaxy A72 and iPhone 12. I'm recording in 4K 30 frames per second. iPhone 12 can also record in 4K 60 frames per second. But just to keep the video even, I'm recording in 4K 30 frames per second on both the devices. Galaxy A72 doesn't have any stabilization on 4K. definitely the iPhone, in terms of video quality and also in terms of stabilization, slightly better. This is video recording from iPhone 12 and Galaxy A72. Both are recording on Full HD 60 frames per second. Galaxy A72 just got an update, and with this update now we can record in Full HD 60 frames per second. But there is no super steady stabilization mode enabled, unfortunately. Let me know in the comments below, how do you find the video quality? This is 1080p 30 frames per second video recording from iPhone 12 and Galaxy A72. Galaxy A72 has a super stable mode which is turned on now. Let me know in the comments below, how do you find the video quality and also the stabilization. Definitely iPhone looks better, but you can see there is a small lens flare, which is an issue since the iPhone 12 series has been launched. You do get a slightly better field of view on the Galaxy S72. In terms of the video stabilization, I would say Galaxy A72 is doing a tremendous job. And also iPhone 12 looks super steady. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.